Hello, today that we are going to speak of the Chemist scanner. I think that it is much important for the teachers, especially for the teachers, that there are so many benefits that you can use this Chemist scanner. But meanwhile, that I would like to say, especially the for teachers, that they can accurate the papers of their students using the Chemist scanner. Then first of all, that we can consider of the PDF tools given here. Then the form recognition is another feature, and then the ID card scanner also can be provided additional service from the Chemist scanner. The first of all, the PDF tools means the certain answer scripts that you can check and then give the results for the students using the PDF tools. Now that you can see on this Chemist scanner that I have already opened this model paper, and then shall I open this on Chemist scanner? Afterwards, that you can accurate the certain things and check the papers of the students using this Chemist scanner. Now the first page I can open here. Then that you can see on the bottom line the rotate, markup, signature and note. The simply that I can say the markup is just that you can accurate the certain mistakes given this on this paper. That's just a paper. But especially that when you think of the answer scripts, then that you can manage that how to get them correct. That you can use this markup pen, this one. Afterwards, at annotation, you can select this and annotation. Afterwards, the find the ink here, the red ink. Afterwards, for an example, just I can show you that how to get them correct. Here, this the tick mark like this. You can use the different way according to that your requirement. Then that you can use them. The Chemist scanner that simply that is much especially good for the teachers, that when you check the certain answer scripts of your students. Thank you so much.